Public convention by Kokomi demands to summon a special session of Manipur Legislative Assembly on or before December 10. Special Judge Pokso Imphal East Maiba Manoj Kumar serves 12-year jail term and a fine of 10,000 rupees to a man convicted of raping a minor. Nurses of Janims Hospital warns to launch indefinite ceasewalk strike against government's failure to fulfill their demands. And Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren inaugurates Handlooms and Handicrafts Mall, promises policy for use of handloom products by students. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. After meeting with Union Home Minister, leaders of Kokomi held a public convention on the future course of actions to save Manipur from disintegration by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks today. Kokomi demanded the state government to summon a special session of Manipur Legislative Assembly before December 10. Kokomi also resolved to oppose the Indian government in creating any kind of autonomous territorial council in Manipur. They further resolved to continue the ongoing people's movement to protect Manipur's unity and integrity. They will also urge Indian government to take the consent of people through the state government and civil society organizations to make a statement not to affect Manipur in the ongoing parliament session. Kokomi further asserted that the issue of ethnic harmony and administrative setup of the state shall be taken up by a mutual discussion among various communities residing in the state.
Territorial Council ama semang pataragadi Manipur sekai di sapanare matuna maramarkana ekoi high territorial council ko masa any makala matagi torko yaro habisida ache pa pire amadolana akan makumse ngama sanction berde damata Manipur miyam puna ba sem sabu matau tai habise amukka ana Kokomi gi maike di Manipur gi miyam puna mata apel tawjali.
Special Judge Pokso Imphal East Maiba Manoj Kumar has served 12-year jail term and a fine of 10,000 rupees to a man convicted of raping a minor. The convict is 24-year-old Yumnam Naucha, son of Y Ranjit from Pukhao Khabam Awang Klekai. The court also instructed to pay 5 lakh rupees as compensation under Manipur Victims Compensation Scheme to the victim. Convicted Yumnam Naucha committed penetrative sexual assault on the victim when his wife was away for a funeral ceremony in 2016. The victim's father filed a complaint at Imphal East Women Police following to the arrest of Yumnam Naucha. Subsequently, police filed a charge sheet against him, and investigating officer of the case, Sub-Inspector K. Babina, has been probing the case. Finally, the court pronounced Naucha guilty on November 26 this year and declared the sentence today. Defense counsel pleaded the judge to lessen Y Naucha's punishment. However, State Counsel Special Public Prosecutor urged the judge for stringent punishment under Section 6 of the POCSO Act 2012. Nurses of Janims have resolved to launch indefinite ceasewalk strike from December 2 against government's failure to fulfill their demands till date. Speaking to media at Janims Hospital today, Joint Secretary of Trained Nurses Association of India, Janims, PH Janapriya, said that the association has been demanding the grade pay rectification, nursing and uniform allowance, among others, for the Janims nurses. She reminded that the nurses of Janims have carried out protest demonstration on the same in front of Janims Medical Superintendent Office from November 14. Mentioning that Janims director declared that Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren has given assurance to fulfill their demands within November 30, following which the nurses withdrew the protest for some time. She expressed disappointment that the government has failed to put its assurance into action. She said owing to lack of action from the government, altogether 421 nurses, including assistant nursing superintendent, nursing sisters, OPD nurses and staff nurses of nursing college under the association, resolved to carry out the protest from December 2.
CMna Delhi da sakhibudo adudagi halakanda akoina tawriba demand sigi order dom sar laaga order thoga pirani haidana assurance amana ama pibirakhi assurance pibirakpagi matungina akoi date 30 handaki Saturday pho sida relax tawjaki sit in protest to aduga date 30 phong manungda akhoi order si thopidragadi akhoi lakliba Monday numisidagi sit in protest mayam gi oina loinabuki habedi nursing staff khai gi oina sit in protest pangthok sagani magi hadi patient care gi da akaiba pidana ngasi bauda tawjarakhibani adubu yam kuina khoina issue si adum pending thambidana lakpadagi tangai phadana akhoi asigi khongjang asi changchandaba yadabadagi akhoi changjalakpani haina mayamda haijaning.
Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren inaugurated Handlooms and Handicraft Mold at Wongkai Kaitel Asangbi in today. Manipur Handlooms and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited organized the event at Chief Minister also unveiled a craft pillar on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister N. Biren declared that the state government will form an exclusive policy to produce suitable clothing items for students using the handloom and handicraft products of the state. He expressed happiness over the influx of tourists in the state. He asserted that the state government has taken up various initiatives for the artisans and young entrepreneurs of the state. Biren said that startup scheme, which provides easy loan facilities to the artisans, and MSME scheme is progressed in the state as compared to other states. He asserted that using our native products will only enhance and boost our economy. The Chief Minister assured to take up initiatives to enhance and enrich the surroundings of handlooms and handicrafts, Pantoi Arcade, and to make available the various handloom and handicraft products of the state. He also assured to make efforts to provide soft loans to the shops near the arcade to convert them into handloom stores. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Y. Kamchan, Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited, S. Rajan, Commissioner of Handloom and Handicraft, P. Vaifei, and top officials of Handloom and Handicraft Department attended the event.
अखोई प्रोडक्ट हैंडलूम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स के पुथोइबा फिरोनसिना तुरगा मामागे स्कूल दुगी मचुदु तुरगा अखोइना पीरगदी पैसादसु हंदगनी अखोइगी लोकल गी फिसा लोनसा तौजरीबी मयामदसु कानगनी अखोइना खंडबा अमसु लैये मदुसु अखोइ पॉलिसी ओइना अखोइ कैबिनेट और डिपार्टमेंट की कंसर्न मिनिस्टर कंसर्न डायरेक्टर यावरकांदा पॉलिसी ओइना सेमकांदा मणिपुरदा लेरिबा स्कूल खुदिंगमक सुमाइना अखोइगी हैंडलूम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स की प्रोडक्ट सिने यूनिफॉर्म ओइगदबनी गा हाइबगुंबा मा चनहनबा याब्रा अदा मदुगी क्वांटिटी दो अखोइदा रिक्वायरमेंट दो अखोइदा लैगद्रा पुथोकपा ngamgadra हाइबना चिंगबगदो अखोइ नैनरगा अखोइ लमदमसिगी मयामबु थबक सुबिरिबा होनबिरिबा मयामसे योखनबा होनजगे.
Speaking further, Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren said that owing to the increasing number of visits at the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 and demands made by the public to extend the festival, he assured to discuss the conditions at the cabinet meeting today. He asserted that the government is standing alongside the public regarding the Naga Peace Talk and Citizenship Amendment Bill. Biren further mentioned that all political delegates and representatives of Kokomi has already held conversations, and even a spokesperson of the Union Home Ministry has even assured that CAB will not affect Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren urged the people not to be apprehensive regarding the same. He gave firm assurance that the government will stand in unity with the people.
करिशु याम का है ना कोई मिपाइनिंगाई वानिंगाई लेते कोई होना भी आवे कोई होना दी होश होना गिगने सी लई हाइदना कोई सा दबे यारोय फीसे दबे यारोय स्कूल तम दबे यारोय दुकान हांग दबे यारोय ऑफिस का दबे यारोय अंद मयाम द डिस्टर्ब तो दबे मौंग द जनरल पब्लिक द डिस्टर्ब तो दबे मौंग द कदम मौंग तो रुकान द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट द कन्विंस तो जिके एबसे जिक आई कोई गवर्नमेंट तो रुका कोई ताना ताना तो रेबे सुमाइना मखा सथसी मयाम द डिस्टर्ब तो गुमसे हाइबनी संगाई फेस्टिवल सी नमिनिनी हुमनी दु खरा अहो बगी दु खरा नुंगाइ तबदु हुजिक ति कन्न मे पुनखले अद मयाम ना इंगोन द सरकार नो जारे इसी मतम किदा सांगकोपियो न कन्ना मुहाइदि नोंनेनि खदा सांगकोपियो नोंनेनि खदा सांगकोपियो न अद मसी ओरेन अखोइ कैबिनेट फंगमनी मयाम की ओपिनियन अम लौरगा प्रजा मयाम न पामदी अखोइ मदुगी खनबा ताबनी.
Midday Meal Workers Union Manipur in a press release warned of intense agitations if the authorities concerned fail to provide honorarium of the midday meal workers and fulfill their demands at the earliest. Vice President of CAF and PD Laborers Welfare Association, Thaimei Maniba Kabui, have alleged the handling contractor of FCI, FSD Jiribam, NR Maitai Enterprises for forging signature of one laborer, Tokchom Priyokumar from Jiribam Dibong, who passed away on June 22, 2018, and misappropriating the wages of the laborers for 16 months, including till October 2019. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club in Mizorkul today, Thaimei Maniba Kabui asserted that the contractor has been carrying out labor administration of the shop owners and auto drivers and continuously withdrawing bill from FCI. He strongly condemned the contractor for carrying out such misconduct. He urged FCI to look into the matter without further delay and also demanded to put the contractor of FCI, FSD, Jiribam and NR Maitai Enterprises on blacklist latest by December 2. He further appealed to award befitting legal punishment to those involved in the crime. He warned of intense agitation from December 3 if the authorities concerned fail to fulfill their demands within the deadline.
Handling contractor asina dukan phamba kaya auto driver kaya gi mingda FCI dagi bill kai thukli loinana 30 November 2019 dasu contractor na satharakpa aran kaya amadi khusuman pikna pibadagi suicide tawduna laikidre level kaya gi hingnabagi lamben da sauna singnarak liba mathai enterprises pu blacklist tawbaga loinana aranba asida singnarak liba FCI official sing miam khangna suspend tawdabani karigumba lagliba tang ani fawda thabak asi pangthok tabarabadi mathangi numitadi makhan kayagi khongjang changsingani.
Former director of the IQAC, Manipur University, Professor E. Bijoy Kumar, has called for implementation of choice-based credit system in the higher education system of Manipur. He was speaking at the faculty development program under Star College scheme organized by Oriental College today. Professor E. Bijoy Kumar mentioned that some universities of other states have already started implementing the credit system. He mentioned that the University Grant Commission has been taking measures to enforce the same in higher education system of the country. Professor E. Bijoy Kumar opined implementation of UGC's credit system will greatly enhance higher education system of Manipur. Professors of Oriental College, Autonomous and other colleges attended the program.
Choice-based system si kogi ojasingi su chobol lolam lei ojana masi pochi khangdragadi deliver to bungamo shimadi am clearly adubu choice-based systems in the major beneficiary di ojana te koi chhatra singsi da motin aduna hoje koina tawreise hanagi sina koina ojasina lecture si bangpi de piraga amda pangana naga dum chattom tawbo hoje ki sina student centric haimana chhatra dagi feedback se lower to budang ko B.Ed ki training to isi maroina primary school gi chhatra sing gi dam to ni to elementary school chhatra to adu wa koina khanbada di masi primary na thagi na te ki si training ji di how to teach cybersecurity ko oja sing ju to dom
3 months free revision course exclusively for class 12 students kicked off at Kakching Kuno College today. AMSU Kakching Kuno unit under the aegis of the Old Manipur Student Union headquarter organized the event. M. Praveen from the AMSU headquarter, principal of Kakching Kuno College, and Mohendro, head of the English department of the college, and Sarit Kumar took part in the event.
Question answer oriented oiba mongda tambibigi matamsi hekta phanghogdaba yawi phanghogdo maram oirakanda khoi parikha yamna akhoi awabasi chhatra singna mayoknai mamangda hokiba coaching singdasu haurukpa hapta amani si chhatra si yam phajana marang kain lerama kanda nonggi sum chhatra basing se hantarakanda last adi chhatra tara phangna akhoi phangkide coaching hek torkodigi ngasi phawda hai tare ei sasi dum yaujarakani akhoi gi chhatra singda hainingi madudi coaching se suksoi soidana
People of the state are facing major inconveniences due to the current rise in onion prices. Impact News reporter Elamba Musuk brings you an exclusive report.
Tilau asi Manipurgi miyamgi nomugi punsida sizinaba polam singi manungda khwaidagi maruoiba polam amani adubu haiba tilhau asi Manipurda marang kaina ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯠ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯗꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯖꯤꯗ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯒꯦ
ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯔꯐꯨ
ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯗꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯦꯟꯀꯠꯂꯛꯏꯅꯣ
ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯐꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ
ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯀꯠꯂꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ
ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯃꯟꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯄꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯖꯁꯊꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯍꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ
ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯃꯉꯥ ꯀꯨꯟꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ 78 ꯂꯩꯔꯦ
ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯀꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ
ꯗꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯒ 10 10 ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯎꯜꯂꯦ
ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯊꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯗꯩ ꯈꯪꯍꯦꯟ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯍꯥꯖꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯨꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯚꯔꯥꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯚꯔꯥꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ
ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯃꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯍꯣꯡꯍꯜꯂꯗꯤ ꯐꯩꯗꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯐꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯐꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯒꯦ
ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 10 ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ 100 ꯌꯧꯔꯦꯕ 100ꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗꯤ
ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯒ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯝꯗꯗꯅ ꯀꯦꯖꯤꯗ 60 ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ 100 ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯅꯤ 10 ꯄꯤꯉꯩꯗꯩ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯀꯦꯖꯤ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯊꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦꯕ
ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯈꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩ
ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 50-55 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯅ 75-6-7 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯅꯦ
ꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯈꯪꯍꯦꯟ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ
ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯅꯦ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ
ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯗꯗꯤ 63 ꯂꯩ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ 69 ꯃꯔꯐꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ
ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯅꯕ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩ
ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦ ꯅꯥꯁꯤꯛ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯔ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯈꯔꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯚꯔꯥꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯣꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯕꯥꯔ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯊꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯦꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯎ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯂꯣꯟꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯕꯖꯥꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ
ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯃꯤꯄꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧ ꯇꯥꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯧ ꯂꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯧꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯏꯊꯩ ꯂꯩꯈꯣꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯔꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯂꯛꯀꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯡꯕꯝ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯛ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ
Assistant teacher of Mangal Kids School, Okram Jagat expressed suspicion over the postal service of illegally removing items as some items sent from Korea through the postal service were found missing. Speaking to media at school in Ningthau today, Jagat said that the parcel sent from Korea through Korea Post for the orphans arrived at Ningthau Post Office with some items missing. He said that 2 article packages weighing 17.8 kilograms on booking, which was sent from Korea, were found rupees reduced to 9.4 kg upon its arrival at Nithongkong Post Office today. He also added that a second package weighing 15.6 kg on booking was found reduced to 12.8 kg. Expressing disappointment over lack of action from the SP of the head post office Imphal, he urged the relevant authorities to look into the matter without further delay.
Articles that were sent from South Korea for many years. And these articles, these contents were actually for the children and for orphans here that we are providing for many years. But this content which has been sent from South Korea is completely missed postal departments. We just wanted to know which place or from where it has been happening all these things. Finally, I just wanted to put up these issues to the concerned authorities. I would like to appeal to them to at least find out the anomalies inside, the misappropriate of these parcels where the contents have been taken up, and resolve the issues as soon as possible.
Chandel District Police team destroyed mass illegal poppy plantation at Govok village under Chapikarong Police Station today. The team, including SDO of NCB and Chapikarong, led by NAB SB W Basu, under the overall supervision of Chandel District Police SB and Madunimai, destroyed poppy plants cultivated over a stretch of 60 acres of land. The destroyed poppy plants were worth producing 600 kg of opium. Nauria Pakhang Lakpa MLA Soyam Subha Chandra has flagged off a team consisting of 9 students and 3 teachers of Malo Mega High School to represent Manipur at the national level folk dance and role play competition 2019. The competition will be held in New Delhi from December 3 to 6. Speaking on the sidelines of the flagging off event at a school campus this morning, MLA Subha Chandra expressed happiness at the positive changes and at the rising strength of students at Malo Mega High School. He mentioned that the school has now 400 students and they are taking keen interest in various extracurricular activities even at the national level. He credited the positive developments to the cooperation extended by the residents of Malom, parents and guardians of the students.
Satellite School of Moramadu, Nasidi, Kogi Bhartiya Janta Party and Lusimba Sargar Silakwadegi, 2018 session the Ecoina. KG, primary, nursery, pre-nursery, KG class, hen, whom Japson Zaraga, Emilian Development Committee, Chairman Uraga, Maji Schoolasi, Honor Zarapati, Hujiti, Satra, 400 Kimatak Tamdana, Eco Schoolasi, Yamapung Papa Schoolama, Wede, Schoolasi, Satra Satisina, National Competition, folk dance, Adegi, role of play, commission, state a Sigma Silagi, Pangabase, Mashigi, Soba, my popular BSD, Kogi, Malum, the Leviriba, Schoolasi Lincoln, but the Yawira Parliament Singdana, Tawa Yawi the Gi, City School, a public school, Mashi, Kogi Malungi Praza Sing, it's over.
A woman named Rebecca from Gariwang Leka has submitted a written complaint to the governor and Chief Minister Manipur, claiming that she was forced to sign her divorce papers by a police team, including Segmai Police Station OC and chairperson of the Women Commission. She has pleaded to the leaders to probe the incident, which occurred on November 26, and to provide her police protection. A newly established Saiwan Ayush Healthcare Center under Saiwan Group of Healthcare was opened at Kurai Lamlong Chandam Lairak today. Speaking on the occasion, physician Suman Klaishram said that the wellness center will provide yoga therapy, hydrotherapy, acupuncture, acupressure, diet therapy, and physiotherapy facilities to the people. He mentioned that the center aimed to promote healthy activities to prevent various physical and mental illnesses and ensure a healthy and fit society. Sinam Nodia Upper Primary School in Thangmeban, Sinam Plekai observed the 109th birth anniversary of the founder of the school, led Sinam Nodi Chand Singh at the school campus today. Attendees paid floral tribute to the portrait of Nodi Chand at the event. JTO Joint 1 Susetra Kumukcha, Assistant Director of Education S. L. Kamala, and DI of MES 2 School Mani Sinam attended the event. Now the sports news. Youth Affairs Minister led by Hawkip handed over badminton turf mats for Chandal, Chorchampur, Senapati and Ukhrul through the respective district youth affairs and sports officers today. Speaking at the event at the minister's residence in Lamphel, Minister led by Hawkip said that efforts are underway to distribute mats for Taekwondo and Judo from next year. He urged the people to support the government initiatives to develop and promote the sports sector. The minister appealed the public to carefully use the government properties as their own. YAS Joint Director L. Jayanta and Deputy Director Lukosai Hawkip attended the event.
It's in now media thongda Mantina pot PD ado to Kabada among hap karana complaint to Aduna Mayang Wangda in a port si Kuchin Risini. Pazana district a association Amakang de DY so Kang de in appeal to Zanibadi. Port si Sarkana Pira Banana Heta Kariam Katana Banataba Amnoshi na Pazana. Sina biba, sina ba, sana ruising na pazana sina biro, dagi kana ba uhelasi. Matang da su taekwondo gi amadi judo gi mat su pina ba karol amay yaure budget da aina matang chahi da su mat si ati matang pina ba honage.
All Manipur Traditional Belt Wrestling Association felicitated the Manipur Belt Wrestling team who bagged the first runners-up title in the 8th AITWF National Traditional Wrestling and Percussion Championship 2019 held at LB Indoor Stadium in Hyderabad from November 21 to 24. Members of the association and parents of the players warmly welcomed them upon their arrival at ISBT Kumatlampak today. It may be mentioned that Manipur team bagged altogether 50 medals, including 29 gold medals, 14 silver medals, and 7 bronze medals to clinch the first runners-up title in the championship. The 113th Battalion BSF Tactical Headquarters, Loktak, has organized sports events in various parts of its deployment on the eve of its 54th Rising Day. Friendly volleyball match was organized and played between local clubs in CI Post, Torbong Bungalow, CI Post, Lighthouse, and CI Post, DD Air Station in Chorchampur. Another friendly volleyball match was also organized at CI Post, Hirok, and CI Post, Wongsing, with an aim to promote better coordination and understanding with civil population. Kanglaipak Mixed Martial Arts Club KMMAC has felicitated its players Asem Tondonba, Yaimalasham and Jim Sanjat Sabam, who bagged title belt in National Pro Muay Thai Championship 2019. The championship was held at Mangalore in Karnataka from November 19 till 24. Speaking at the event held at Kanglaipak Mixed Martial Arts Club in Singzamai, Chingamaka, head coach of the club, Frank Nangdebomb, extended heartiest welcome to those interested in Muay Thai and mixed martial arts. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Public convention by Kokomi demands to summon a special session of Manipur Legislative Assembly on or before December 10. Special Judge Pokso Imphal East Maibam Manoj Kumar served 12-year jail term and a fine of 10,000 rupees to a man convicted of raping a minor. Nurses of Jennings Hospital warns to launch indefinite cease-work strike against government's failure to fulfill their demands. And Chief Minister Nonton Bambiran inaugurates Handlooms and Handicrafts Mall promises policy for use of handloom products by students.